Akin.
For sunglasses.
Ano po kayong alcohol?
Ay, hindi ba? Meron ka?
Ay,
Meron ka.
parang baho ng kamay. Tingnan ko.
Meron na. Saan ka? Ay,
Wala.
Ganda.
Wala. Okay lang po.
hindi, nandito
Mag-isip
na
ako yan.
tumbang. Yep.
Ay, ayan.
I am blessed.
Si Ma'am
I
nag-iisip
am
kasi ako.
blessed.
Yes, yeah.
Yan,
Yan.
thank you po. Uy, ang bango. Ang bango-bango niya.
It's so fruity. Fruity.
Ano lang siya, ma'am, no? First stanza, then chorus na agad.
Ewan ko nga eh. Kung ano, basta binubuo muna namin kanina
Sige,
dahil
sige po.
hindi namin alam kung nasaan
Ay,
puputol
G pala to.
How many minutes ba do they have each?
A little longer siguro. Kahit mga 2.
Ah, okay.
G. Ito pala G. Yan. Oh, layo na sipra ko. Ba't ganon?
Okay lang yun.
Sige.
Layo. Ay, tama.
Tama, sir.
Ay, naduling na naman. Naduling na naman, ten.
In the silence,
Dali ah.
I say a prayer. Prayer.
Tan, tan, tarara.
Yung keys ng tatlong nauna,
G.
naano ko na.
Ah, okay. G, A, A, G, G, D, A. Tama. D. Ano ba na-dockling na naman? D, A.
Ikaw lang naman nakakaintindi dyan.
Oh, yun nga eh. Ay, ako. Mali.
Labig.
Nasa fourth higher ako tuloy. Sorry.
Here in the silence, I say a prayer. Though I've never seen you, somehow I know you're there. You're in the faces of the people that I meet. You're as silent as the earth beneath my feet. So if I should complain, then all I have is not enough. Forgive me, I've been given too much. And tapos ano na agad? Chorus.
Chorus na.
Opo. Forgive
Sa
me.
pass pa. Line yes. I'm sorry.
Sige, ulit. Underlining ko yung mga problematic na words.
Here in the silence, I say a prayer. Though I've never seen you, somehow I know you're there. You're in the faces of the people that I meet. You're as silent as the earth
beneath my feet.